Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday, and yeah, the market is still going down. The market is still going down, and actually, from tomorrow is gonna be a new month, which is gonna be July. Which means the year is seriously running very quick. We left with only 6 months to go to 2023, but if you don't have some serious rules and some serious plan, next year might be the same. Next year might be the same for you if you don't really have the plans, if you are not really disciplined to follow your plan. That's why, guys, at the end of the day, you're supposed to have someone who's going to help you to reach your goals. So there is this, I can't say it's a special, actually, it's for everyone. It's $45, guys. It's $45 for 3 months to 4 months. You'll learn some great stuff in there, how to make your own signals. But I also thought about that from this month again, actually, this new month. I think I should also give, because I'm more on mentorship most of the time. I forgot about the guys who just need the signals only, you see. So from tomorrow, actually, if you want the signals, but this is gonna be limited. I'm just doing this for some people, guys. There's people who maybe really don't really afford whatever that we offer, but I can't go lower than that. So here is the thing. It's gonna be limited, by the way. It's gonna be limited. So I'm gonna offer you actually signals for $45, or let me just go on the chart so that you can see what I'm trying to show you. If you want, from now on, from tomorrow, by the way, it's going to be $45 as usual. It's been always $45 per month, by the way, but this is actually special. Now you're gonna get this the same $45 for 3 months. For 3 months. If you joined yesterday, if you joined yesterday, actually maybe for 45, let me know, then I can extend your mentorship. Sorry, your signals. I can increase your signals. Then we can go to from 1 month to 3 months. This is only limited. I'm not going to take like 50. It's gonna be limited. Then after that, I will just tell you that okay, we reached the number. Then we going back to $45 per month. 3 months is similar to like paying actually like $16 per month. Actually, yeah, it's like $16 per month, because it's gonna be 3 months. Remember, this is gonna be limited. So if you want to be part of that, only the signals, by the way, only the signals is gonna be 3 months. As I saw that I'm offering too much mentorship. I saw it's $45 now for 3 months on the mentorship side, but on the signal side we don't really have anything. That's why I'm saying now it's gonna be $45 for 3 months for only limited number. Once I reach the number that I want, or I feel like it's too much, then I will just say okay, we back again on that one. But now it's gonna be 3 months. I hope you can see that. So yeah, so you will let me know if you want to be part of the team. So what's really happening actually on the market? The market is still bleeding. The market is still bleeding. So we are on Bitcoin, by the way. You can see this is 4 hours time frame. It means that you see what, when you follow the trends line, when you follow the trends, things tend to be in your favor. Yes, along the way we might be wrong, we might sell and the market might reject against us, but most of the time we will be in the favor of the market. So what do we see is, we see that the market is still selling, and around this area, for those who trade Bitcoin, you can see that support is now broken. That support is now broken, which means now you can easily see that. I think this thing is vibrating. Okay, sorry. So what's really happening now is we see that the market just broke out of that support area, which means the market is now continuing with that sell. You see, the market is continuing with that sell. So if maybe you don't see that, now you have some issues, because we have a very nice support that I was been talking about. And remember, since we are on a downtrend, we're gonna have some nice, for those who sell, by the way, they're gonna have some nice sell positions here. So it's seriously bad for Bitcoin. It's seriously bad for Bitcoin. So let's move to the next one. Let's move to the next one, which, whoa, yeah, this one is serious. This one is serious. I did not see that. Let me just use maybe 2 hours. Let me just use maybe 2 hours time frame. On 2 hours, we are on German 40, by the way. We are on German 40. So what's really happening here is we can easily see that the market is actually pushing lower and lower and lower. And wow, the market just broke out of that. It's seriously selling. So now you can see that actually there is no limit. Just because maybe we thought maybe this area is going to be a support, this area is going to be a support before, then the market kept breaking those areas. So it means we might still see the market going down like that. So it means that bullish move that we saw is no more, it's no longer there. Actually, we're supposed to look forward for those sell positions, but I did not see that. Even if I did, I wasn't going to take that because the structure was not in my favor. There was no any breakout or something, so I wasn't going to say I saw a sell there. You see, I wasn't going to lie and say, oh, I see a sell. No, I wasn't seeing anything, but maybe the market will create a nice structure that we can use to say, let's continue with the sell. The best thing that you can do is don't just fall. We see that sometimes the market is on a downtrend. So that doesn't mean that you should just sell anywhere or do something and act like you see every opportunity that happens in the market. We can't able to catch everything that is happening in the market, unfortunately. You see, but if you start to understand that, that is normal, by the way, that is normal. But if you don't know, you might think maybe you're supposed to catch each and every opportunity. But what I like here is, or what I see here is, I see that yes, this downtrend is still continuing. Maybe we will see where the market is gonna bounce back, and then maybe we're gonna have another nice sell-off. But now we did miss that. I'm not going to lie and say maybe we saw that. Then we will just wait for another structure to happen before we act. So now we are on gold. On gold is quite simple, straightforward. We can easily see that yes, we see that we are on a downtrend. So which means the market is still pushing lower. The market is actually pushing lower very slowly, by the way. So it means now the market is about to reach this area. You can see I did mark that area. It's way too closer to meet to reach that area, and we will see if the market will break that and push lower. If it does push lower, then that is going to be something. Then that is going to be something. You see, that is going to be something. Then it's going to be some serious sell-off, or maybe the market might find some support there and push up. But what we see is it might create a very nice wedge structure. The market might start to maybe consolidate between these two before breaking out on this resistance, or maybe on this support area, which means we can say yeah, we will just follow what actually happens. But for now, I can't say anything. But I like the fact that here we see that we have different positions where the market did touch. You can see 4 times. We were not going to miss that easily. We were not going to miss that way too easily. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is US oil. So now I like what I see on US oil. If I can go on a 4-hour time frame, guys, if I can go on a 4-hour time frame, it's quite easier for us to say, yes, this was an uptrend, but now just because the market is now is moving away from our resistance, you can see that what we can do is we can have something like this as a counter trend line and say, okay, if we have something like this, it means we can have later on we might have a very nice bullish move. We might have a nice bullish move. That might be our support area from now on, and maybe we will see the market trying to push up like that. That is possible. That is possible. So this is what I'm waiting for, because if I still remember day before yesterday or yesterday, the market was around these areas, so we were not going to buy there, even if we see that there is actually a bullish move, but we wait for the market to reject before pushing up, reject before pushing up. Simple as that, you see. So the best thing that you can do in the market is, it's way much better for us to apply risk management, because days are not the same. We might see things they say the way they are. I mean, they sometimes the market might give us a nice structure, and once we follow that, the market actually doesn't follow that, and you end up losing. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? Quite straightforward, by the way. I see that yes, the market is actually on this nice downtrend. So you can see that we had something like a support area there, and I like the fact that it's already broken. Once it's broken like that, we have to see and go closer there and see what's really happening. So it's not like maybe now I'm thinking about buying. No, this support area helps me to say, if it's broken out, we might wait for a retest, which I think is now happening. A nice retest where there is a breakout. The market might retest here before pushing lower again. We have to look for something like that. We don't just really have to jump on the market. So it means we can have some nice sell positions there. But actually yesterday or day before that, we had some nice rejections there. I mean, some consolidation moves there, and things were not easy for us. You can see there, the market was just playing around that zone. The market was playing around this zone. You see that? So which makes the market like go crazy. You can see once you buy, the market goes down, up and down. So you will end up getting confused. And mostly this market here makes us to lose. Honestly, this actually makes the market this makes us to lose most of the time, you see. But if you see that nicely, sometimes it's easier for us to just say, let's wait, let's not trade. But what I see is, I see the market is trying to reject from this area. Maybe the market will respect this area and push lower. Simple as that. But what I'm thinking here is, or what I want to do actually is, I'm just going to sell. The market is actually going down. I'm just going to do it to sell. So let's go straight. Please, guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now we are on NASDAQ. Let me just use 4 hours time frame. So what's really happening here is, we can easily see that yes, the market is actually on a downtrend. The market is actually downtrending, and that is something that we now see, and it's seriously, it's like serious. It's way too serious. It's no longer like, let me draw that nicely. Yeah, it's something like that. We can easily see that. We can even draw double lines if you want, or let me just draw that for you. Let me draw that for you. So this is our second line. Sometimes you don't have to push it back, like back. You can still use it like something like this, so that you don't really confuse yourself. You as long as you understand what's really happening there, you see. As long as you understand what's really happening. So which makes things way too easier for us to say, you know what, it means that the market might keep doing what? Keep going lower. So, and we got it wrong, by the way. We got it wrong when we thought maybe the market was about to push up, but the market just rejected. So what we see now is the market actually, it was not really good actually the past 2 days. It was not really good for us the past 2 days. What happened actually is, the market around this area, you can see that the market created this sort of consolidation move, and we had a sell. The market went lower, then pushed up, it was like seriously not good. But what I see now is I see the market, it seems like it's trying to have a nice move. But the best way that I can do is let me just wait and wait. Oh, sorry. Let me just wait for the market to open. I can see the market is doing its thing there. But it's better for me to say it's better for wait for a better move later on. So I can have something like this here. Maybe the market is trying to respect that area. Actually, the market is consolidating yesterday or day before that. So the market was consolidating nicely. Let's see. Yeah, something like that. So now we see that the market broke out of that, which means once the market breaks here, we expect to do what? To continue with the sell. And you know what? Yes, the sell it's happening very nicely, and it is aggressive, but now the market is going up again, which means there might be a chance that the market is actually going to retest there and then keep going lower. The market might be retesting here before pushing lower again. You see that? This is what I see, by the way. So if maybe you don't see that, yeah, maybe you need some training, some great training for you to understand the market as a whole. Remember, I have something great for you, especially for those who want the signal. It's $45, only 3 months. For 3 months, by the way. $45. This $45 used to be per month, which means you actually paying $16 per month, which is great, by the way, which is very, very great. So if you want to be part of that, let me know, but it's gonna be limited, guys. It's gonna be way too limited, as we also have this sort of a promo there. You can see a mentorship is also $45 for 3 months. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. There, it's my WhatsApp, Telegram. Just talk to me, then I will make sure that I add you in the group and you start to eat. Simple as that. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Yes, we did not go live actually this week with the market. Here in my country, we have some power outages, and around that time, mostly is when the power is going off. So that's why I wasn't going live. But if things goes well today, I will go live, as I'm going to notify you. That's why we say when you subscribe, also make sure that you click that notification button. When we go live or when I send something, you're not going to miss that. Simple as that. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.